Boing, boing, boing. On today's What to Sell on Amazon in Australia, me and Bonnie are going to talk about all sticky breath. We're going to talk about nails, doggy nails, and how to keep them nice and trimmed so your doggy always looks beautiful. What do you think? Give it a little kit. Thanks so much. See you soon. Okay, so back with you, and yes, my daughter's overwhelming cuteness persuaded me to get them a pug for Christmas. And so now, of course, the pug, when we got it, was 12 weeks old. And so now, what are we in, like the beginning, endy part of January? So we're at about 14, 15 weeks old, something like that. But what we've discovered is the pug needs stuff. The pug needs all sorts of different stuff. And so now I am a shopper, a new customer on Amazon for doggy related products. All right. And so the big idea here is anybody who's got doggy related products will make sales to me, a new customer. However, if they've got pug related products, then I am much more likely to buy their stuff. So all things being equal, if I see a dog comb versus a pug comb, I am much more likely to buy the pug comb than the dog comb. And indeed, if we go over to Merchant Words, that would be backed up with people searching for their specific breed of dog on Amazon rather than just looking for dog things. People actually search for Labrador, poodle, basset hound, pug, whatever it may be. They'll search for that specific thing because, of course, just like our kids, we all think that they are unique. However, they're not, of course. So the opportunity there is to take something which is generic, a brush, put a picture of a pug on it, and all of a sudden it's a pug specific brush, therefore hyper targeting a brilliant marketplace of potential buyers on Amazon. That's the big idea, okay? And if you walk away with nothing else from this video, walk away with hyper targeted, hyper specific products to dog owners, cat owners, whatever it may be, and you will make a lot of money just by doing that. However, what I want to show you today is a puggy or doggy related item that we are now in the market for. And so I'm just about to go shopping on Amazon.com.au to see if I can buy that. And that is for something to trim little Bonnie's nails because they're getting very long, and so she's scratching everything, and so we want to make sure that her doggy nails are trimmed. So if I come over to Amazon and put in dog clippers, well, you can see already I've got dog clippers for small dogs, and of course if you've got a big dog, their nails are intuitively bigger than a small dog, and therefore you'd need a different kind of clipper for them. So that just makes sense, and that's one level of being specific to a certain subset of dog owners, okay? Dog clippers for thick coats, dog clippers nails, dog clippers for professional heavy duty, cordless professional blades, dog clippers for poodle. And there's that first example of a specific product, or a general product should I say, targeted at a specific breed of dog. It is crazy, and of course all you would need to do is buy your dog clippers, and let's suppose, just for ease of math, you brought 50 dog clippers and you wanted to target 5 different sets of dogs. Well, you take your 50 dog clippers, get 5 different stickers done, so a pug, a poodle, a Labrador, a French bulldog, whatever it may be, and then put your stickers on, bada boom, bada bing, you've got 5 targeted products for 5 different breed of dog owners. And that is an awesome thing to get. However, let's just go for dog clippers. I'm going to check that out. So, clearly, dog clippers, well, we're going to put nail. Dog nail clippers. There we go. Nail clippers. Now come look at this, because this is important. So right now there are 5,532 results, so products, on Amazon.com for dog clippers nail, or dog nail clippers, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's a lot. That tells me that there is significant amounts of search volume on Amazon for this particular product, because otherwise people just would not be selling their products. Quick slurp my coffee. And they would have failed and gone out of business ages ago and taken their listing down. Okay, and that's how this thing works. So let's go over to lovely, lovely merchant words before we go look at Australia. Let's go and look at merchant words and actually see dog nail clippers. Oh, by the way, George, who is the owner of Merchant Words, has agreed to let me interview him. One of my data science heroes. Can you imagine the information that he's got about searches on Amazon, about what's happening on Amazon? He would have a whole crazy level of information. Anyway, so if you're in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, I'm interviewing him. You'll get the chance to ask him questions live. If you're in my advanced inner circle, he's going to show us some crazy stuff that's happening on Amazon that he's seeing because of the intel that he gets. And by the way, they're launching later this month, early in February, they're launching their Australian data set too, so that's very, very exciting. So now there's US, UK, Canada, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, and then there'll be little old Australia just here. All right, so let's continue on. Dog nail clippers, right there, 85,000 searches per month. That's great. Certainly warrants us going and doing some more stuff for it. I want to show you one interesting thing quickly that I think you will get a huge kick out of. And we're talking about dogs being anthropomorphized, i.e. that you whatever your dog is, you turn them into an adult and you treat them like an adult. Well, there's 124,000 people every month searching for dog nail polish. Boom, dog nail polish. Paint those little puggy paws and making them all sorts of funky colors. Who would have thunk it? But there's some cash to be made there for sure. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about dog nail polish today. That's for another time. You may even go, screw your dog nail clippers, Neil. I'm going to do some doggy polish. And if you do, then kudos to you. I'm all over you with that. Dog nail clippers though, 85,000 people per month searching for them. That's a lot of people. Let's check what our search volume is like, and also what our information is like on Amazon.com.au. So to do the search volume, we come over to Google Keywords Planner, which is a free, boom, free tool that you can get. Really, really good. I absolutely love it. And there's two levels of this tool, okay? The free version, when you're not paying anything at all for Google AdWords, you're not using AdWords at all, is pretty crap. It's going to give you very, very broad, like general brushstrokes information about the amount of search volume that's out there, okay? But the second that you spend $1 per month on Google AdWords, you get a whole new level of data, which gives you awesome information. And by the way, if you are selling on Amazon and you're not using AdWords to drive traffic, you are a fool. You're an absolute fool, and you should be in my Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, because the guys in my Aussie Online Entrepreneurs know this stuff already. If you're not in there, then I advise you to get yourself into there. Link below to do that. All right, so let's go look at the search volume data and trends. Okay, so it's 3 different ways we can use this information, but we're going to use search volume data and trends, and we're going to take our prime keyword there, right there, dog nail clippers. Come on over, and you can see that we've got our targeting set to Australia, because we only want to see the amount of search volume that's happening in Australia, i.e. how many people in Australia go to Google and look for dog nail clippers. All right, All right, well, this is good. 1,600 people a month. Suggested bid is actually super low, which means there's not many people using Google AdWords to actually run traffic on that particular search phrase, dog nail clippers, which is dumb. So if you're thinking of doing dog nail clippers, then that's an opportunity right there for you. Crazy good one too. That's a low bid price. Just beggars belief. Anyway, so that stacks up. That's great search volume for us. So now let's go over to amazon.com.au. Looky. This appeared this morning. Amazon Prime is coming to Australia. Of course, when Prime arrives, FBA opens, everything changes. Everything changes, okay? Crazy. So right now in Australia, I can hear it now in my head, voices in my head. People saying to me, Neil, I've been to the different categories on Amazon and mate, I cannot see pets anywhere. What the freaking hell are you talking about? How am I supposed to sell doggy things on amazon.com.au when the category's not even open? Well, my observant friend, let me show you something you may not be aware of. Let's go to dog bowl. Well, the fact that there is automated searches, so auto searches here tells us something, but let's just go to dog bowls, all departments, okay? So doggy categories are not open on Amazon, but there are 409 people selling dog bowls. Go figure. So what does that tell us? It tells us that you can do that too, and you just put them into a different category, Einstein. That's all you need to do. Doesn't need to be complicated. Here's what these people are doing. I'm going to guess that they're putting it in kitchen and dining, which is where it belongs. Kitchen and dining. So if you want to sell dog nail clippers, and you should, then you want to put them into a category. Maybe you'd put them into health and personal care, and that would be health and beauty right here. That's where I would put them. Health, household and personal care. I'd go put them in there. That's the obvious place to put this product. And then of course, as soon as they open up the doggy category, you'll get moved over into the correct category. But don't let that fact that there's nothing there yet put you off actually listing. You can list on anything on amazon.com.au, within reason of course, and you can get it live, and you should do that too. All right, so there's an opportunity. Let's go and see if we can find our dog nail clippers. Dog nail clippers. So they're being sold in beauty and kitchen and dining already. Let's go take a look. So there's only 33 people selling them though, okay? There's not many. And look how bloody awful their listings are. I mean, come on. Oh, that's a book. Well, we won't count that one. But let's go take a look at dog nail. It's 149 bucks. Holy crap. Dog nail clippers with a file pink. What? I mean, how hideous is that? Honestly, people say to me, Amazon's competitive, and I look at the competition and go, the competition is useless. The competition has not got a clue what they're doing. Not got a clue what they're doing. Sold by SZYT. I mean, what even is that? Look at this. Horrendous. Here's your features, product description. I mean, it just couldn't get any worse, could it? Well, it could get worse, but this is a terrible listing. Who are these people? So here's what else they're selling. Look, they're selling everything. Oh my goodness. All right, so anyway, doggy nail clippers. I'm not even going to get into, don't even get me started on the lack of awesomeness on amazon.com.au. It is an absolute free-for-all currently. If you are not selling on amazon.com.au, then you're crazy, because there's people shopping there and the quality of the listings of people selling there is terrible. That, my cash-hungry friend, is an opportunity waiting to happen. All right, so dog nail clippers, awesome product, awesome category, and you can buy them so easily. Let's go to my good friend Alibaba, and we'll even go find some for you. Okay, we're even going to go find some on Alibaba. Dog nail clippers, boom, there they go. And look how cheap they are. They're going to set you back the princely sum Oh my God, is that really 10 cents each? That's just incredible, isn't it? It's so ridiculously cheap. I think that if you're paying any more than $1 a pop for this particular product, you are seriously overpaying. Between $1.3 and $4. I think $1 a pop for a good quality product is the sweet spot in terms of pricing. There are plenty of people, let's click on our gold suppliers, who are selling this. Oh look, I've got bloody loads of people coming in to supply my stuff, which is awesome. Thank you so much, Alibaba, for making that so easy for me to sell right around the world. And yeah, $1 a pop to buy it. You're going to be able to sell them at $16. Well, you don't need to be Einstein to work out that's some significant markup for you. If you can't make, what, $9 a sale out of that for yourself, $8 or $9 a sale, then something is going wrong. Something's going wrong. You need to come and join the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. And if you want to find out more about selling on Amazon, and indeed if you like the idea of selling doggy related products and you want to come and get your cashola creation on with me, then click in the link below. Lick in the link below. Can you really do that? I don't want you to go licking the computer screen. That wouldn't be good. Unless your screen tastes of strawberries, in which case strawberries are awesome. But anyway, so go in the link below. Go to Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Come and join us. You're joined currently 433 marvelous Australians. Count them if you will, as we build our own online freedom businesses on Amazon.com.au. And we're having a ball, and we'd love to see you there. And thanks so much for watching this. Please like, subscribe to my video, comment below if you enjoyed this, comment below if you didn't enjoy this, and if you want me to do a video about something, please comment too. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.